Hello, welcome back to Mom's Kitchen Diary. In today's video, we're going to prepare scrambled eggs. In Swahili, we call it mayai ya kukahanga. This food was very delicious, and you can see I served mine with some rice. So without wasting time, let's prepare it. For this recipe, I'll be using 6 eggs, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 pieces of medium-sized onion, 2 small diced tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper. For seasoning, we are going to use 2 pieces of seasoning cube and half teaspoon of salt. So over a medium heat, you're going to add some oil in a cooking pot, and then you're going to add your onions and cook until translucent. Then you'll add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and stir. Then add tomatoes and the seasoning, stir, cover and let the tomatoes break down. So we'll break the eggs in a bowl. Then I will season with a pinch of salt. Then you can use a whisk or a fork and make sure that the white and the yolk are well combined. Once the sauce has thickened, add the eggs and fry to your liking. And lastly, add the green bell peppers at the last minute. I love them crunchy. If you don't, you can add them with the tomatoes and let them cook further. Thank you so much for watching, and to my returning viewers and subscribers, until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.